Hi guys, welcome back to Growing Up Fun. Today we'll be making a custom minifig, actually just some wings for Gazmoth Potter, my made-up Harry Potter character. He's also got the helmet from Wasp from the Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantum Explorer set. You can see that there. You can take that off him. Here, get him a little base plate. So, for our supplies, we have a pencil, the cardboard, some black fabric, paper scissors, kid scissors, and fabric scissors. And then we've got paint. Now, the paint in this kind of container was in this box. You can sort of see they both say Mala. The paint, we're just using all of that some IKEA Mala paint. This one's empty though. We're just using IKEA Mala paint. Oh, and you're gonna need a hot glue gun. So, next you're going to need your adult to glue the wings together, probably like this, with hot glue. Next, get your adult to plug in the glue gun. If you have a glue gun with 2 settings, use a low setting. If you don't, just use the hot glue gun. And only adults should use hot glue guns. So, we'll go glue these. Once that's dry, now we're done. So, put the legs down, the torso down, the wings down, the head down. Now, if you're not using a helmet, you don't have to use a helmet. But if you are using helmet, you just put your helmet on there.
Oh, can we see that again? Can't we just remove your hand? Can you move your hands? Yeah. Okay.
Put the helmet on there. And then, but if you're not using the helmet, you can put on a hair piece.
And then can you place it on the orange?
Great. So who do we have here, Isaac?
Got Gazmoth Potter
And who is Gazmoth Potter?
in the Rectangle Man suit.
Who is Gazmoth Potter?
My made-up Harry Potter character.
How does he fit into the story?
He's Harry's brother. I'm using the Lego Harry Potter's face from Harry. Might not be able to see that scar there. But his is blue. His is blue.
Gazmoth's.
Yeah. Harry's is red, so it's red there. But Gazmoth's is blue. So, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Scan it.